Okay, so moving on then, the next item on our checklist here for the fiancé visa is other proof of U.S. citizenship. And we've already covered the birth certificate, so normally the birth certificate is going to be the proof of U.S. citizenship. And we also have other proofs, though, if the person's actually not born in the United States, they don't have a U.S. birth certificate to show. There's other documents that we can use. And on Form I-130 here, Petition for Alien Relative, they give us a nice list of the other documents to show what documents you need to show that you are a U.S. citizen, right? Okay, so here then it says, one, if you were born in the United States, a copy of your birth certificate issued by a civil registrar, vital statistics office, or other civil authority. Got that. Boom. Now, a copy of your naturalization certificate or certificate of citizenship issued by USCIS or the former INS. Okay, great. So we know then that is another document that can be used instead of a birth certificate. A copy of Form FS-240, report of a birth abroad of a citizen of the United States issued by U.S. Embassy or Consulate. A copy of your unexpired U.S. passport. So here you can use to prove the U.S. Citizenship then either a birth certificate or a passport. An original statement from a U.S. consular officer verifying that you are a U.S. citizen with a valid passport. So that means that if you've lost it or whatever, you can use that. If you do not have any of the above documents and you were born in the United States, see instructions, page 4. What if a document is not available? All right. And so this does really bring up an interesting aspect of the citizenship rules, because certainly there are times when documents are not available, not so much in the United States, but let's go down there and look at page 4 and see what happens really if you do not have a birth certificate or proof of your U.S. citizenship. So it says here, let's bring this up a little bit. If a document's not available. So again, same thing as what we covered in the birth certificates there, proving that you are a U.S. citizen. You can use church records, school records, a census record, or affidavits. And we have definitely been successful using these kinds of documents when we don't have the proper documents. But in this case that we're working with right now, the petitioner is a U.S. citizen and they do have a U.S. birth certificate. So